Homeowners in Coppell are increasingly embracing modern design trends that combine style, functionality, and energy efficiency. Among these trends, awning windows have emerged as a popular choice for both new builds and renovation projects. Known for their distinctive top-hinged design, awning windows offer a combination of ventilation, weather protection, and sleek aesthetics that appeal to modern homeowners. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a small overhang that allows for airflow even during light rain. This unique feature makes them especially practical for Coppell's variable climate, where summer storms and humid conditions are common. Modern designs have taken this functionality to the next level, offering streamlined profiles, energy-efficient features, and customizable finishes that enhance both interior and exterior spaces. One of the key trends in modern awning window designs is the use of clean, minimalist frames. Homeowners in Coppell are gravitating toward windows with narrow, aluminum or vinyl frames that maximize glass exposure. The larger glass panels allow more natural light to enter rooms, brightening interiors and creating a sense of openness. These designs also contribute to a sleek, contemporary look that complements modern architecture, from mid-century inspired homes to updated ranch-style houses. Energy efficiency is another major focus of contemporary awning window designs. Many modern models feature double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low-E coatings to reduce heat transfer and improve indoor comfort. In Coppell, where summers can be hot and winters chilly, energy-efficient windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduce reliance on HVAC systems, and lower utility costs. Homeowners appreciate the balance between aesthetics and practical savings, making energy-efficient awning windows a top choice. Functionality remains a central appeal of these windows. The top-hinged design allows for controlled ventilation, enabling homeowners to direct airflow into specific areas of a room. Many modern models also include easy-to-use crank or push mechanisms that allow precise adjustment of the opening angle. This feature is particularly useful for spaces like kitchens, bathrooms, or utility areas where moisture and airflow management are critical. Customization is another trend that has elevated awning windows in Coppell neighborhoods. Homeowners can now select from a wide range of colors, finishes, and glass options to match their home's design and personal style. Some prefer classic white or black frames for a timeless appearance, while others opt for bold colors that contrast with the exterior siding. Glass options such as tinted, frosted, or textured panes also provide privacy without compromising light entry, catering to the diverse needs of modern households. Integration with other design elements is also a key feature of current trends. Awning windows are often paired with fixed-picture windows to create striking visual compositions, particularly in living rooms and dining areas. This combination allows for panoramic views and ample daylight, enhancing the sense of space while maintaining excellent ventilation and functionality. Durability and low maintenance are additional reasons homeowners are embracing modern awning windows. High-quality materials such as fiberglass, vinyl, and aluminum resist warping, cracking, and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance even in humid or storm-prone conditions. This durability, combined with easy cleaning access through tilting or crank-out designs, makes them a practical option for busy households. In addition to their functional and aesthetic benefits, modern awning windows can increase a home's resale value. Buyers in Coppell are increasingly looking for homes with updated, energy-efficient features that require minimal maintenance. Well-designed awning windows signal quality, attention to detail, and a modern touch, making a property more appealing in a competitive real estate market. Ultimately, the rise of modern awning window designs in Coppell reflects a broader trend toward combining practicality, style, and sustainability. By providing excellent ventilation, superior energy efficiency, and customizable aesthetics, these windows are transforming homes into brighter, more comfortable, and visually appealing spaces. Homeowners looking to update their property can enjoy the perfect blend of modern design and functional performance with awning windows that are built to last and elevate everyday living.